Hello guys and welcome back to MSX Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to survive the owl in the new owl update in Roblox 99 Nights of the Forest. So basically all you have to do in order to survive the owl is when the owl lands and you see the eyes icon, basically all you want to do is stop moving. Because if you keep moving, like while the owl has landed, and if you keep moving, the icon will go up. It's kind of like a stealth indicator, kind of. So if it goes up and it fully, it's red and whatever, it fills up the bar, you're basically, the owl will start attacking you. So all you want to do is simply stop moving. And if if he does, if the bar does go up, let's just say you weren't able to stop moving, for example, and he spots you and he's aggroed on you, all you want to do is use your flashlight against him, and that will make him whatever, stunned, I guess, for a few seconds until you can reach your base. So again, the way to stop the for the indicator to go up is by just simply stop moving. And then what you can also do is flash the flashlight at him, and then that will also help. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.